What makes the site so fascinating and what makes the study question so fascinating is that we're actually looking over the long term and over broad spatial areas.
We could, for the first time, give a quantified measure of the impact, and from that to better understand the range and the magnitude of these impacts on the protected areas. This gives us a meaningful insight into our management and gives us a better explanation to the planning committees in the country how these settlements impact the wildlife, impact the ecosystem, and how can we minimize this impact.
Our results will help the planners and the decision makers to better decide about the future of the region, to develop the human activities on one side, but preserve the nature on the other side. In the future, we plan to use different satellites with more spectral bands and higher frequency of observations and better ground resolution in order to approve our results. Venus is an Israel-France cooperation for launch Earth observation satellite. This is a very unique spacecraft which has 12 spectral bands in the visible near-infrared region of the electromagnetic spectrum, a revisit time of 2 days, and a ground resolution of 5 meters.
Personally, I have learned a lot from the Ecopotential project, meeting all the research community and the other partners of this very interesting project, seeing how they manage their protected areas have contributed a lot to the understanding and gave us a lot of very good ideas and advice about managing our area. This information will be used for other protected areas within the arid zones and the hyper-arid zones, and I hope that the data and the research done here will help other protected areas in the Mediterranean and in deserts all over the world.